So okay, in this video we have installed already Prestashop, and now we're going to install the Elation Liquid responsive design theme. It's HTML5, CSS3 with all the current standards, and I think it's a pretty easy installation process. You just need to follow the correct steps and you'll be in less than 10 minutes with your new store working. So here's the just brand new Prestashop 1.4.9 installed, and here I have my administration login. So just enter your administration email, your password, and click login. Then you will need to go to models and positions. First, before you install the Elation Liquid, it's important to unhook all the unnecessary models so your store will perform faster and will be really easy to set up. So let's start with selecting all the right column models blocks, the left column blocks, select them all. Home page content, select them all. Header of pages, select them all. Top of pages, select them all. And lastly, footer. If you have anything in product footer, select product footer as well. The rest, it's okay. If your store is already working, do not uninstall the painted models. So if it's a brand new store, just leave it whatever you want. So click on Hook this selection. Now you have a clean Prestashop. I can refresh here and there is nothing. Okay. Then go back to models and search for import export a theme. Import export a theme by Prestashop. If it's not installed, click install. Once it's installed, click configure. So the best way is to find in your local hard drive where is the downloaded theme that you just bought it in add-ons. Here you have it. The current version of the theme of the Elation Liquid theme is the 1.1. We'll keep updating the theme, so we'll keep it always current, up to date to the latest Prestashop. Click OK. Click import this theme. Theme is uploading right now. Once it's uploaded, you have this screen. Please read the documentation just to make sure that everything is in the right place. Once you read the documentation, click next. It will tell you to install these models. They're all like custom models just made for this theme. So in the price of the theme you will get all these new models that they're completely custom just for this theme. Select them all. For the native models configuration, use the theme configuration, and then for the theme images configuration, use the add missing images formats and modify dimension of existing ones if necessary. That's important too. Click next. Okay, and just finish. Now you have installed the theme. You just have to make sure that the theme is selected. In my case, it's already pre-selected. So you can go back to the store, refresh, and the theme is in place. One important thing that you need to do is to configure some of the positions, and especially to regenerate all the images to have the new configuration images. So to do that, you'll need to go to Preferences, Images. You see now that you have different sizes and added some. So you have to go to Regenerate Thumbnails, click All, select Erase Previous Images, and click Generate. Yes, I'm sure. Okay, this will take a while depending on your site. If it's a brand new store, it will take a few minutes, a few seconds. If it's a existing store with lots of product, it will take a long time. Some people experience problems with this, that the server times out. So in the second time, if the server times out the second time, just unselect or unclick the erase previous images and we'll start from the next position. To me, it worked perfectly. All images are generated. Here's my store. You see the images that they're a little small. Just click refresh, and now the images are the correct size. Okay. One possible problem that you can have is that they sometimes happen that the footer gets a little disorganized. So you have to manually organize those models, those blocks. So go back again to models, and I see the one missing image is the CMS, which it's a Prestashop native model, so you have to hook it. So first of all, let's start with CMS. Search for CMS. Just click OK. And the easiest way is to click reset. So just put again just put it again all over the place. So you need to go to positions and eliminate these two positions because our problem was in the footer, that was missing in the footer. Select the right column, select the right column CMS, and click and hook those two only. And you'll see a CMS here on the footer. Okay. Now you have here, let's see it real quick, and I'll like to organize these three. I like to have lastly the footer logo with the footer branding and get this organized. This is how I like it. You can do however you want. So first that I like is the categories. So just get here when you have the arrows. Categories first, CMS second, contact information third, newsletter fourth, block payment logo fifth, and the branding last. Just click refresh, and you have it now in the correct order, in the order that I like. You don't see the payment model, this block payment on footer, because you will need to select it on the models. So go here, find the payment model, block payment logo on footer, click configure, and you will have to select the CMF page. So in this case will be secure payment. In your store will be whatever you have to inform your customers about the secure payment. Click refresh, and you have it ready. And that's it. That's simple. The store works perfectly. The responsive design works awesome. Your three column for iPads and tablets, 2 column for phones, smartphones. Your nice footer navigation for smartphones. You see how it changed all the menu, all the footer menu that we just rearranged. And that's it. Next video I'll show you how to configure all the custom models, so that way you can understand how they work and to take advantage of this great theme. Until then, thank you.